Keep your property pest-free with reliable trapping solutions designed for durability and effectiveness. The best rat trap outdoor options ensure quick, humane results while withstanding harsh weather. Ideal for gardens, garages, and yards, these traps combine strength, safety, and convenience for lasting rodent control. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Tomcat Outdoor Rat Trap. The Tomcat Outdoor Rat Trap is a premium pest control solution designed for durability, effectiveness, and safety. This set of 6 outpost bait stations is made to handle everything from small mice to large rats with precision and reliability. Each trap features a tamper-resistant, lockable design, ensuring that pets and children remain safe while still maintaining full efficiency against rodents. Measuring just 8.5 by 7 inches, these traps have a compact footprint that allows them to fit easily along walls, fences, and building edges, ideal for outdoor use or perimeter protection. The versatility of this model allows for both vertical and horizontal installation, maximizing coverage and adaptability to different environments. Each station is compatible with bait chunks or snap traps, accommodating up to 8 1-ounce bait blocks for extended performance. Proudly made in the USA, these traps reflect quality manufacturing and thoughtful design. The heavy-duty construction withstands harsh weather and repeated use, while the secure locking mechanism prevents tampering. When positioned strategically, they create a powerful rodent control system that reduces infestations efficiently. Whether for residential yards, commercial spaces, or farms, the Tomcat Outdoor Rat Trap delivers consistent results, making it a trusted option for homeowners seeking a safe, long-term, and professional-grade solution to unwanted pests. Number 2. OWLTRA Outdoor Rat Trap. The OWLTRA Outdoor Rat Trap is an innovative and humane solution for efficiently eliminating large populations of rodents in outdoor or indoor settings. This electric trap is powered by either 4D batteries or a USB cord, offering flexibility and convenience in any environment. A single battery set can exterminate up to 60 rats, making it both cost-effective and efficient. It also includes a waterproof cover with an IPX4 rating, ensuring safe outdoor operation even in damp conditions. The trap's entrance is designed to prevent escapes, guaranteeing quick and humane extermination. Users are guided by sound and light alarms that signal when the trap has been triggered, serving as a helpful reminder to clean and reset it. The OWLTRA Trap's bait area is easy to access. Simply lift the bait door and apply bait, such as peanut butter, for best results. Its large design accommodates both mice and rats, offering broader coverage for problem areas like barns, garages, and gardens. The combination of safety, ease of use, and advanced technology makes this trap one of the most reliable on the market. With no need for poisons or harmful chemicals, it provides a cleaner, more efficient way to keep your property pest-free while maintaining humane treatment and effortless disposal. Number 3. CatSense Outdoor Rat Trap. The CatSense Outdoor Rat Trap is an excellent choice for homeowners and gardeners looking for an effective, humane, and reusable solution to handle rodent problems. Designed with thoughtful engineering, this trap provides a swift and painless kill, ensuring that rodents are dispatched humanely without prolonged suffering. The set includes 2 traps, each crafted with high-quality materials suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Whether you're trying to keep chipmunks out of your garden or remove rats from your attic, the CatSense trap delivers dependable performance in any setting. One of the standout features is the tunneled and dual-covered design, which prevents accidental triggering by pets or children, making it a much safer option compared to traditional open traps. This feature also gives the trap a sleek and closed appearance, ensuring that you don't have to come into contact with or see the trapped animal, offering a cleaner and more discreet experience. The trap is simple to use. Rotate the bait tray counterclockwise, fill it with bait, put it back, and pull down the lever to set it.
Once a rodent is caught, disposal is quick and touch-free. Afterward, simply wash and reset the trap for continued use. Built with durability in mind, the Cat Sense rat trap can withstand repeated use, maintaining its sensitivity and power over time. Its precision trigger mechanism ensures that even small rodents are caught effectively without false snaps.
Number 4. Feeke Outdoor Rat Trap. The Feeke Outdoor Rat Trap stands out as a simple, safe, and highly effective solution for anyone looking to eliminate rodents quickly and cleanly. Designed with a no-touch mechanism, this trap eliminates the need for poisons, glue, or complicated setups, ensuring both safety and convenience. Its durable design makes it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use, offering dependable performance without the mess or odor associated with traditional wooden traps. Setting it up is straightforward. Just place bait, secure it in the bait cup, and open the clamp. Once triggered, the sensitive petal and sharp teeth deliver a powerful snap that ensures an instant kill with minimal pain to the rodent. This trap's sturdy plastic and steel construction makes it reusable, easy to clean, and resistant to odor buildup. Unlike electronic deterrents that only drive rodents away temporarily, the Feeke trap offers a permanent solution by capturing them directly. Its lightweight, portable structure allows you to position it easily in areas of high rodent activity, like garages, gardens, or basements. With Feeke's risk-free guarantee, users can trust in the quality and reliability of this trap for long-term pest control. Number 5. Ratweel Outdoor Rat Trap. The Ratweel Outdoor Rat Trap combines humanized design with durable craftsmanship to provide an efficient and humane solution for rodent capture. Unlike traditional wire traps, this model features an independent bait chamber that attracts rodents by scent while preventing direct contact during setup or release. The cage is made using integrated stamping technology from lightweight galvanized sheet metal, ensuring it remains rust-proof and resistant to damage from bites or weather exposure. Its smooth edges and ventilation holes prevent bad odors and make it safe for both adults and children to handle. The 70% open structure allows for easy cleaning. Simply rinse with a hose and let it dry outdoors. Reusable and environmentally friendly, this trap is ideal for long-term use. Measuring 10.62 by 5.51 by 5.11 inches, it's optimized for easy entry while minimizing the risk of escape thanks to its sensitive trigger and balanced door system. The handle and rear door design ensure a stress-free release process without physical contact with the animal. Perfect for use around gardens, patios, or sheds, the Ratweel Outdoor Rat Trap provides a humane and reliable way to control pests. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.